Jose and his twin sister Isel are never very far from their phones.
I plan to grow a bigger following by posting more photos, by posting more fashion, more of our faces for sure, and our curly hair.
They check emails, direct messages, and their Instagram account, and it's that Instagram account that has changed their lives.
You can't understand us 'cause you're too soft. I remember being a kid, my teachers told me I wouldn't be. Diamonds in my pinky look like water.
It took us about I would say a year to really grow a big following.
It's no surprise that 75% of all teenagers have profiles on social media. Most teens use it to stay in touch with friends or meet new ones, but a growing number of teens have discovered how to make money using social media.
I plan to grow a bigger following on Instagram so that people from Instagram could follow us on YouTube.
Because they had a large following, advertisers started to notice their message through Instagram offering to pay them to post their products.
The kind of promotions we do is like clothes, shoes, it could be like skincare.
The money started rolling in.
I posted them and then I told them my email for my PayPal and they just sent the money, and automatically I just knew it was real, like I had the money in my PayPal.
At first, it was all about them and what they wanted.
Oh, we like fashion, so like when dressing, like a lot of people like when two people dress similar but really cool styles, and we just put that in our Instagram photos.
But then they started to think about their family, especially their mom. She's a single mother raising 4 teens.
My future is to get my mom a big house and just keep posting.
It's been hard for us because we only live with my mom. All my sisters and me live with my mom. So like her by herself with 4 kids is so hard, like for her.
That's on God.
Jose and Isel have big dreams, and right now they're popping, which means they have just begun.